अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मेरा सोनी एक्सपीरिया XZ2 चार्ज नहीं कर रहा। USB का मसला है। मैं सोचा रिपेयर कराऊं, लेकिन रिपेयर कराने का टाइम नहीं है अभी। मैंने काम पे भी जाना है यहाँ पे चाइना में, तो मुझे अभी कोई फ़ोन लेना है। बजट तो मेरा पाकिस्तानी 1 लाख रुपया है, लेकिन जितना सस्ता उतना अच्छा। पहले तो सोच रहा था मैं आईफोन ले लूँ, आईफोन 12 मिनी। वो मिल जाता है लगभग 1,80,000 रुपये का, लेकिन फिर मैं सोचा नहीं, खर्चा इतना क्यों करना। आईफोन 13 भी आगे आ रहा है, और मैं सोचा कुछ सस्ता फ़ोन लूँ, उसको बिना स्क्रीन प्रोटेक्टर बिना केस के इस्तेमाल करूँ। 50,000 रुपये का मिल जाए फिर तो कोई केस हो, कोई स्क्रीन प्रोटेक्टर नहीं लगाऊंगा। चले आगे मिलते हैं। विच कलर?
Which color you like?
आई लाइक द ग्रे कलर।
The gray.
Yes.
This is the black, right?
Yeah, the black
Hold
one.
on 1 second, please.
I want to get the black one. So this is a TCL 10 Pro for around $200 to be precise. $200 मिल गया सानू TCL Pro। अभी देख सकते हैं TCL Pro मिल रहा है हमें लगभग $200 का। पाकिस्तान के ये बनते हैं 30,000 रुपये के करीब। हाँ, सस्ता तो है। आपने कौन सा लेना है? आप तो बताएं कौन सा लेना है। ओप्पो Reno 5 मिल रहा है पाकिस्तानी 65,000 रुपये का। ओप्पो Reno 5Z, ओप्पो Reno 5 5G मिल रहा है आपको लगभग पाकिस्तानी 90,000 रुपये का।
I need to check.
ओके, प्लीज चेक।
Maybe. Yes, sir. It's great.
Great.
It's
So
great.
it come with any screen protector or any free?
The screen protector and the case it comes with in the box already.
Yeah, okay.
Already in the box.
So I open up.
So 1 minute, I'll show you my credit card first.
Okay.
1 minute.
Okay. I see. It's been on China.
Yeah, no, this one I think so. Yeah,
No problem.
Visa.
Okay. I
Okay.
open up.
Yeah.
I see an English menu for you.
Okay. Yes. Can you put my SIM also?
Yeah, sure.
My SIM I take
You
off.
use it in Hong Kong?
Use in Hong Kong.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. You like it?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Here's a paper
It's,
pack.
yeah, it's a very cheap phone to be honest with you. Okay.
No, sorry, sir. Because this one is it don't comes with the screen protector. Maybe
No.
you need to find outside.
Oh, so you
But
don't.
it comes with the we don't have this the screen protector of this one, but it do the case here, sir.
Okay.
This is the colorless case.
Color.
Can I have the SIM?
Yeah, SIM as
This is the USB cable,
USB
and also it comes with the earphone
earphone.
and also the plug.
Okay. That's good. That's quite nice. Now my SIM and my micro SD card also.
Oh, okay. So you're using the span of the China Mobile.
China Mobile,
How
yeah.
much around per month?
I pay this one 178 4G.
178.
Yes.
Why so expensive?
I don't know.
178.
Yes,
4G.
4G. Now you can look around also. दूर से बना लो मेरी रवि साहब, दूर से बनाओ ना खड़ी होके। तस्वीरें भी खींचो।
Actually, sir, your SIM card is so expensive.
So how much is the?
Because now we have a promotion now. If you join, but how is our data right?
Yeah, limited.
Yeah. Because our one now promotion is from 3HK. Every month is 138. Also 4G. 100 is a 21 megabyte unlimited speed. I think it's pretty good. How long is your contract for you?
And in August it will expire.
This.
No.
Yeah, because sir, within 300 days, if your SIM card will be due date, we have a
Also.
every month, $138, and with free the 18 Because
Okay.
normally it's 138.
So this one is which company?
3HK. I'm using.
Okay, 3HK.
Yeah, I'm using. It's so good signal.
Okay, 3HK.
And I think it's better than China Mobile.
Okay.
And also with free the $18 tunnel free, and just signed for 24 months. But it's unlimited data of 21 megabyte for.
Okay.
Better than your. I think the coverage is better than China Mobile.
This one is much better.
Yes, I'm using. It's Mr. Lee. It's so good signal. And every month you just go to WhatsApp.
So I can even bring my number here, right?
Yes, sir. I can keep your old number. For example, if I can check your due date, your cut date, for example, 21 of August. I will on that day we keep your old number and switch to free.
Okay. Let me think.
It's so good, this one. For the internet service, it's so good, this one. So I will say in English.
This one. My wife also using CMHK.
But how long is the due date? Because I can check now. We have a machine can check.
So I'm not sure about her. You can check for her.
No problem. MMYNGGEK, right?
Yeah. I make a lot of gameplay video.
Okay.
So many gameplay. Every Nintendo Switch, PSP, every console. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. I also do audio guide. Like this one is 7 years old. My another channel 11 years old. This one total 7 years old. Yeah, very old. Everyone making video, like when I used to make video, it was very
already a long time ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of games.
Yeah, like 7 years ago. This my tech channel. This one. 7 years ago.
Yeah, subscribe.
Yeah.
I can see me on your.
This hobby, my hobby channel. Like I gameplay video, mobile video. Yeah.
Really in Hong Kong for a long time.
Yeah, very long time. Before like in 2017, a lot of companies would give me free mobile to review. Yeah, now everyone is making video. Like my channel is now very small compared to everyone.
Everywhere is YouTuber.
Everywhere YouTuber. Before like 2014, like being YouTuber was something very good. Now everyone is YouTuber.
Actually, now they are not everyone is so good. Actually, they just make a video, but the decoration, the design is not so
good. A lot of people are making video for money. That is a problem.
Yeah.
You never use.
Some of them they make a very great money.
Yeah, that is the problem. I never make video for money.
It's just for hobby.
Yeah, hobby, because
That's
like
good.
making gameplay video for like 3 hours not
Just like sharing.
Yeah, I make every PlayStation 2 video, every GameCube video. Like PlayStation 2 have 1000. Like making 1000 PlayStation games is very hard. It takes too long.
Yeah, and also, but the fortune country, the video, I mean the YouTuber, they make a video, they make a lot of money.
Yeah, but in Hong Kong not a lot of people view because it is in English.
Oh yes.
Yeah. नाज़रीन मैं ये फ़ोन लिंदा पे पूरे पाकिस्तान के 30,000 रुपये का मिले। पाकिस्तान आजकल ये जाए 70,000 रुपये का TCL 10 Pro मैनू मिले। So मैनू ये फ़ोन मिले किन्ने का मिले बेगम 30,000 रुपये का। बड़ा चंगा फ़ोन है 70,000 रुपये का 30,000 का मैनू फ़ोन मिले। तुसी देख सकते हो कैमरे। सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलियो, मैनू फ़ोन मिल गया सब्सक्राइब।